We're at Maryland Day and we're at the Insect Petting Zoo. What could be better? It's a beautiful day. We've got Rosie, the world's most famous tarantula. Kids, their parents can come and watch the insects. They can pet Rosie if they like. They can see our scorpions, our death-feigning beetles. They can take a ladybug home and let it go in their garden. Well, it actually started with what we called Agriculture Day, and many years ago, some of my mentors and myself had a little display of insects. We'd bring out a tarantula and a millipede and the honeybees, and folks would come through the laboratory to see the very cool bugs, and we've been doing this now for more than 35 years.
I held caterpillar, ladybug. I didn't get to hold too much. I wanted to get to hold more. I really wanted to hold a tarantula. Some people might think that's gross.
I actually like petting the tarantula.
Tell me how she feels.
I said it was very soft, like a puppy.
Well, the favorite part is to watch the children. The children really love the insects and the arthropods. They love to look at the tarantula. They like to hold the millipedes. They like to see the giant grasshoppers. But the most curious thing is their parents, who very often are kind of standing in the background saying stuff like, "Don't bring the spider near me." So it's fun to see the reaction of the people.
My favorite part, probably holding a walking stick or stick bug. It felt kind of weird, like it slowly just crept up my arm.
Well, I didn't touch anything because there's a lot of creepy crawlies in there, but I saw some interesting stuff. Here, I'll look up.